Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the open arches edging pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. Also, this pattern is great for any pattern with multiples of 6 plus 1. If you need help with any of the stitches listed, go ahead and check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches and techniques. So to get started, I have just made myself a little swash here to represent a blanket edge or a scarf or whatever you're trying to put edging on. Doesn't really matter what it is. So to get started for row 1, we are going to join the yarn at the beginning of your work and we're going to chain 3. Then we're going to double crochet into the same space as where we joined the yarn, and then you will double crochet in every single stitch until the end of the row, and then you will turn your work. For row 2, we are going to start off by chaining 1 and we are going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then we will start our repeat, which is going to be chaining 5, skipping 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So again, the repeat is going to be chaining 5, skipping 3, and then single crocheting 3. You'll repeat this all the way until the last 2 stitches, and the last 2 stitches are just going to be a single crochet each. So 1, 2. Pretty easy so far. So for row 3, we are going to start off by chaining 1, and then we're going to single crochet into the first stitch, and then we're going to jump straight into the repeat, which is going to be working 10 double crochets into the chain 5 space from the row below. You'll repeat this all the way until the very last stitch, and the last stitch will be a single crochet. So again, the repeat for this row is just going to be working 10 double crochets into each chain 5 space, and then finishing off with a single crochet in the very last stitch. So here we are, there's that last little single crochet, and you're done. There you have it. That's how you crochet the open arches stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.